Question number 28, current electricity, the microscopic property associated with that. Normally when we talk about current electricity, students tend to focus only in the circuitry part and they do not pay attention to the microscopic one. Now here it goes. A current of 5 ampere has been given passing through a copper conductor, resistivity is given, cross-sectional radius has been given. Okay, you need to calculate the mobility. Now the famous expression, you see Vd equals to mu into E. E is the electric field. And after that, the drift velocity, see, is given. Electric field has to be calculated. So that can be done in this way. I into R, that's rho L by A divided by L, right? Because I rho L by A, that's the potential difference divided by the length. That will give the electric field. So everything is there. You just need to do a slight bit of calculation. You put it. Option number 4 is going to be the correct option. Let's move to the penultimate, the question number 29. Well, question number 29 seems quite long, and this is from POC, Principle of Communication. And see, this is the second question from the same topic, which I have been saying that you need to focus on those areas which is specially reserved for JEE Mains. And there is first column here, second column here. We need to see which sort of wave is being used. Now, let's try to see optical fiber. Well, this uses the infrared light with all those sound converted into light and so on. They use the infrared part. Let's see the radar. Radar, of course, uses the radio waves. And when it comes to sonar, now that is the ultrasound. Even while you decode the full form, you get that. And mobile waves, of course, they use the microwave. So A has to go with the Q and B has to go with S. Subsequently, you could see, okay, AQBS, that means first and second, and C, the sonar, ultrasound. All right, that's decoded. Option number 1 is the correct option for question number 29. That's fine. Now, let's move to the final one, question number 30. The 30th and the final question, that's from the damped harmonic oscillation. Now, see, again, an exclusive reservation only for JEE Mains. So, the future aspirants should particularly know that yes, those topics which are not in JEE Advanced have a very high weightage in JEE Mains. And you just see the displacement of a damped harmonic oscillator is given because it's damped, so the amplitude has to decay with time. And it says time taken for its amplitude to drop to half of its initial value. That means, you see, the amplitude is this, and the initial amplitude is quite obviously 1 t raised to the power 0. We need to calculate that time, so let me call that time as t naught, when the amplitude would become half. And this now would come as 0.1 t naught is log of 2. And that's so simple, see, log 2, you remember, 0.693. So divided by 0.1 here and put all those values, you are certainly going to get the value very close to 7 seconds. So option number 1 is the correct option for this. And with this question number 30, we finished the discussion for physics that had been asked on 10th April morning shift. So for those who gave that slot of examination and are watching this, I wish you all the best, and for the future aspirant, hope the discussion and the analysis was useful to you. I wish all the best to all the aspirants. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.